If you feel bloated, tired, or uncomfortable almost every day, your gut is not weak, it's irritated. And if you're depending on digestion pills, antacids, or remedies that only work sometimes, this is exactly why nothing is improving. The gut doesn't need medicine to heal. It needs the right daily signals. When you fix those, digestion starts repairing itself naturally. In this video, I'll show you the simple habits that calm your gut from the inside. The last one is the most ignored, and it's the reason many people never fully heal. Your gut controls digestion, immunity, energy, mood, and even weight. But modern habits slowly damage it, even if you think you're eating healthy. The good news is this. Your gut can heal itself when you stop doing the wrong things and start doing a few simple habits every day. No medicine. No expensive supplements. If you experience bloating after meals, gas or acidity, constipation or loose stools, low energy, sugar cravings, or weak immunity, your gut needs attention. Many people think this is normal with age. It's not. It's a gut imbalance. The biggest mistake people make is trying to silence symptoms instead of fixing the cause. Medicines may give temporary relief, but they don't heal the gut lining or restore healthy bacteria. Real healing starts with daily habits. Your gut decides how your day will go based on your first meal. Sugary breakfasts, packaged cereals, or tea and coffee on an empty stomach irritate the gut. Instead, start your day with warm water and a simple breakfast. Avoid cold and heavy foods early in the morning. This small change alone reduces bloating for many people within a week. Digestion doesn't start in the stomach. It starts in the mouth. When you eat too fast, food isn't broken down properly. That leads to gas, bloating, and discomfort. Chew your food slowly and stop eating before you feel full. This habit improves digestion more than most supplements. An unhealthy gut is often inflamed. You don't need medicine for this. You need soothing foods and gentle routines. Warm soups, cooked vegetables, enough water, and light meals help the gut lining repair itself. For a few weeks, avoid fried foods, excess sugar, very spicy meals, and heavy late-night dinners. Digestion slows down when you sit immediately after eating. A slow 10 to 15-minute walk after meals improves digestion, reduces gas, and supports blood sugar control. This is one of the simplest and most powerful gut healing habits. Poor sleep damages gut bacteria. Late nights, late meals, and screen time before bed confuse digestion. Finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep and try to sleep at the same time every night. Many gut problems improve when sleep improves. Stress damages gut health faster than food. When stress is high, digestion shuts down. Sit quietly for a few minutes after meals. Breathe slowly. Avoid screens right after eating. A calm gut heals faster. Your gut does not need medicine to heal. It needs consistency. Start with just 2 habits from this video today. Within 10 to 14 days, most people feel lighter, calmer, and more energetic. If this video helped you, like it so more people can find it. Subscribe to Healthy Habits Haven for simple, natural health guidance. And tell me in the comments, which habit will you start today?